Hey everyone, I'm back from Wegmans and I have a haul for you guys. If you're new here, my name is Lacey. I post a lot of grocery hauls and food related videos, so if you like that, stick around. I got this apple fritter loaf from the bakery. Wegmans bakery is the bomb. And then I noticed it said vegan. I didn't buy it because it's vegan, but we'll see how it tastes. But when I got it, they had just made it. It was nice and warm. I got these protein shakes for John. They were 40% off because they were being discontinued. So that kind of sucks if he does end up liking them because they have no added sugar, pretty clean ingredients. I got some strawberries for my daughter, which she already has dug into because they're just her favorite right now. I got some milk, mozzarella cheese. They have so many hummus options at Wegmans. I got this one, the everything bagel hummus, but they even had an eggplant one, which I'm like interested in trying. They had a sweet potato hummus. Then I got these pretzel rods to eat with the hummus. I got some sour cream. I got a couple yogurts. Those are for my daughter, and then this one is for me. Super yummy. I got organic oatmeal for the first time. It's something me and my daughter eat a lot, so I figured I would try to buy it organic. I got some rolls for a dinner this week, a little random tomato, some Snickers per John's request. Then pumpkin spice creamer from the Coffee Mate Natural Bliss line, which is my favorite because it's made with actual milk and heavy cream, no carrageenan. So hopefully this tastes yummy. My favorite is the vanilla Natural Bliss creamer. You have to try it. I got some eggs, some bananas, a little piece of ginger to make ginger tea. I got a pineapple, some avocados, and then some more Alexia onion rings. These are really good. This is my second time buying them. The Alexia brand, they're really clean with their frozen foods. So give those a try. And that's about it. For my ginger tea, I do add turmeric to it. So what I do is I peel this pineapple and the skins. I put the skins in a pot with water, ginger, turmeric, and cinnamon and let that boil. And then I sweeten it with honey. And it's pretty good. It's really good for you, that tea. And once it's done, I drink it hot. But I tend to make a big batch of it. So I let it cool. I put it in a pitcher and I put it in the fridge. Then what I do is I use that to mix my smoothies. Instead of milk or coconut water, I just use that tea. I also give it to my daughter cold. She sometimes drinks it, sometimes she doesn't. This ice cream also, I forgot about it because it was in the freezer. But it's the Halo Top cookies and cream. I've never tried the cookies and cream flavor, but I've tried the vanilla and the macadamia nut one. My favorite is the vanilla, but once again, for a low sugar ice cream, this is the bomb. I'm about to try the everything bagel hummus, and I figured I would give you guys a taste test. This is what it looks like. It smells like an everything bagel. Ooh, it's nice and thick. There's something sweet in there. It's not sweet. It's just tangy. So. Overall, it's good. I expected it to be more garlicky, and it's very vinegary. It's tangy. It's not bad. It's just not what I expected. That's everything I got, guys. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.